y minus 27 equal to 0. Sorry, 27 9s are 243. Minus plus minus, 27 9s are 243. 27 1s are 27. 27 9s are 43. Y minus 1, y minus 9, y minus 9. And we will write it one time, and y minus 27 equal to 0. Now first of all we will take y minus 9 equal to 0. Next time we will take y minus 27 equal to 0. Y minus 9 become positive 9 when taken the right side. Minus, when taken the right side, minus sign becomes positive. Now we can see that we will suppose this term. Now we will replace this term. Y is equal to 3 raised to power x, because we want to find the value of x. In the question we have given equation in the form of x, so our answer should be in the form of x. So instead of y, what we will write, 3 raised to power x is equal to 9, and 3 raised to power x is equal to 27. Now here base is 3, so we'll make the base 3. 3 comes 3 into 3, 3 3s are 9, so 3 raised to power 2. 1 plus 1 becomes 2. If the base is same, powers will be added, so 1 plus 1 becomes 2, so the 3 raised to power 2. If the base is same, powers are also equal. Similarly, 3 raised to power x equal to how many times 27 come? 3 into 3 into 3. 3 3s are 9, 9 3s are 27. 1 plus 1. 3 raised to power 3. Base is same, powers also same, x is equal to 3. So our solution set becomes 2 and 3, which is the required solution.